Hello friends, I'm Sujata. Once again, welcome back to my channel. The topic that I'm discussing today is excellent and gorgeous white flowers in the world. The first one is rose. The most commonly known white flowers are roses, and the way they leave impact is serene, easy to grow, and filled with fragrance. These are great options to have in your backyard. Lily, a resemblance of royalty. White lilies are often chosen by brides and used to make impressive bouquets. Their unique look is enough to make everyone fall in love. Next one is Kala lily. The trumpet-shaped flowers are true reflection of magnificent beauty and should have a spot in your heart and house at all costs. They are beautiful and breathtaking. Orchid. They are exotic white flowers and have no competitors for the heart-throbbing beauty. They're often used in weddings and emblems of charisma and elegance. Tulips, warmth, forgiveness, and serenity are the three words that come to mind when we think of white flowers. Tulips. To forgive and apologize always become easy when you have this flower by your side. Carnations. Carnations are show of innocence and used for Mother's Day and weddings to show purity. The flower comes in two categories and is pleasant one to have around. Next one is Gerbera daisy. They stand as true beauties with the dark bulb and flauntable petals. The charismatic look of the flower is all you need to make your garden looks amazing. Next one is hibiscus. Hibiscus flowers are popular for the beauty, but even more for the healing properties and curable compatibilities. With a reputation since ancient times, these flowers are still ruling hearts. Another on my list is hydrangea. Are you in love with cotton candies? Because these flowers look exactly like that. The snowball like petals sway your heart in the true manner and certainly precious. Daisy. Daisies are used by brides big time for the ornate jewelry and wedding buckets. The flowers are more when they need for happy surroundings. Daffodils. Daffodils are used to signify the birth of something, and such flowers with the power of rejuvenation and a sense of growth in itself a serene experience. Magnolia. The flowers holds popularity in the US and is thus loved for its exotic white tint and appearance. To have it around to be the presence of true beauty and elegance. Jasmine. Jasmine flowers are known popularly for their fragrance and are majority for making perfumes and more. Having them in the garden is justified itself. Next one is Camellia. The flower has an intimate meaning and known to be emblem of young love, where the petals are men and the protector of their woman. Japanese anemone. The flower is known to have a positive and negative meaning as it comes from traditional thought. The protectors from the evil of the flowers are a true show of beauty. Another one is cuff flower. Angular leaves of this flower are what make them different from other kind of white flowers. They are found in North America and they have a unique triangular leaves. Annual vinca. Annual vinca is famously called Madagascar periwinkle, blessed with beautiful shiny flowers with green foliage. Anise lace. Whenever one thinks about all white flower names, the anise lace stands different from the rest. These are purely unique flowers and are native to Europe. Looking to make your house one with unique elements, then this precious flower is the right choice. Iris. The white iris flowers are used for weddings, decorations, centerpieces, and more because of its serenity and purity they bring. The Datura. The flower is popular for its association with beads and its quality to cure disease. Have a memorizing bunch of these for a happy and soulful surrounding. So friends, this is all about the topic. Hope you like this video and content. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also press the bell notification so that you can get all the new updates. If you like it, press the like button and share this video with family, friends and relatives. Thank you friends. Thanks for watching. Thank you.